Brazil, a country of wild contradictions, breathtaking beauty and food that makes you question everything you thought you knew about flavor. And here in Bahia, the beating heart of Afro Brazilian culture, there's a dish that embodies it all. Moqueca da Bahia. This isn't just a seafood stew, it's a history in a clay pot. A slow, rhythmic dance of coconut milk, dende oil, fresh caught fish, and just the right amount of heat. It's a dish born from necessity, shaped by centuries of migration, struggle, and survival. The Portuguese, the indigenous, the West Africans, they all left their mark, and somehow it all comes together in a rich, golden broth that's as intoxicating as the air in Bahia. The smell alone pulls you in, hypnotizes you. And then when you take that first bite, it's creamy, spicy, impossibly fresh. It tastes like the ocean, like the tropics, like something sacred. Because here in Bahia, food isn't just substance, it's storytelling, it's resistance, it's joy. And if you don't leave this place with a belly full of moqueca and a deep respect for the hands that made it, well, you've done something very, very wrong.
I'm very happy because with all this change, the laundry mat will come outside and I will have a table to fold the clothes, and it will be very nice on that corner. My life will be better. Yes!
We've been wanting to have an extra bedroom, so this will be not only a good space for extending the storage and laundry room, but it'll also become a good space for having a bedroom when we decide to have guests or when we decide to rent the place out. It will just be a good thing to have.
This is the best thing you can do for your health. Use a lot of coconut milk and coconut in many ways. The water of the coconut is the best fruit in the world. Coconut for your health. I think moqueca is one of the best foods. Not just because it's from my state, but because it's very healthy. You know now that fish has omega-3, it's very good for you. It's one of the best kinds of meat. The digestion is better, it's more light. Even if you're not feeling good, you can have fish and it will be good for you. And it's easy to make. I love to make moqueca because I can do it really fast. The only point is you should marinate before you cook, like at least 2-3 hours on the lemon and spices, because otherwise the meat is mild, like the flavor is not so strong. So if you just put the flavor right away, inside will not be so tasty.
Look at Elci.
I'm in this salon. No, in the... Como fala? Salão mesmo, né?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hairstylist.
Hi, Elci. Here's something else.
I cannot do in these people. They charge a lot of money. They do bad job, and then I am angry 2 times because I gave my money, I wasted the money, and the thing is not well done. I do better.
Yeah, you do. You know, I'm glad I don't have to worry about coloring my hair because my hair is white and I intend to keep it that way. Yay! Because I believe if God gave you white hair, you stick with white hair. But it's okay for women to do that, for ladies to do that. For guys, coloring your hair, I think makes no sense. But that's my 2 cents worth. Go get the coconut. Come on, go get the coconut. Come on, Bella. Go get the coconut. Silly, go get the coconut. Go get the coconut. Get the coconut. Where's the coconut? It's over there. It's over there. Go get the coconut. Go get the coconut. Coconut. You know, so lately I've been watching a ton of videos on YouTube to do with surf fishing. I don't know if many of you have done surf fishing, but here where we live, by the beach, the surf is amazing, and I see many people on a daily basis surf fishing, whether it's early in the morning as the sun is rising or late in the day. And I'm impressed at the kind of fish that they catch. So one day Elci saw me watching these videos on YouTube and said, you know, why don't you get your hands on something like this and try surf fishing as well? So guess what I did? I actually ended up buying some of the surf fishing rods, and I'm waiting for them to show up, and I'm going to try my hand on surf fishing. Let's see how that goes. You know, fortunately we have this motorcycle because we haven't had our combi van for more than a month now, and it's going to be gone for at least another month while it's being fixed up and painted. There was a lot of rust on it that after 3 years of ownership, we finally got it in the right hands to a person with a very good reputation for doing this kind of work. So we're hopeful that when we get it back, we won't have to mess with it for a couple of years again. But literally, this motorcycle has saved our behind many times because we've been able to travel to different places with it, whether it's Ilhéus, Itabuna, if we want to go to the mall or something like that, or if we want to go to a nearby town to go grocery shopping, etc. Always a good idea to have a backup option in case your principal mode of transportation is in the shop or something like that. So this has come in very handy for us, and I just love riding my motorcycle. I love to ride this thing alone, and I often go on little trips to get that joy of riding a two-wheeler, like those of you that have one will understand. You know that wind in your hair feeling? It's an amazing, liberating feeling. Do you enjoy our content? You know, we work very hard to bring you creative, cinematic content like this, with good music and a peek into our life here in Bahia, Brazil. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, be sure to comment, because we love to read and respond to all the comments. And lastly, if you know anybody else that would love to see this sort of content, please do us a favor and help us grow by sharing our channel with them. See you the next time. Bye-bye.